You guys said you wanted to do a gallery wall, so I have this big blank space and I'm going to do 4 frames, but you know it's going to have some kind of crazy twist, and I have exactly the genius hack you need that will change the game. Here's what you need. A poster frame, mine is wood, poster board, a drop cloth for painting, and boat snaps. Okay, so I put the poster board matting in the frame, and now I'm gonna measure 4 inches down and from the side and mark each corner. Here's the secret ingredient, boat snaps. It's a snap and a screw for canvases on boats. I haven't seen anyone use these for a DIY project. You heard it here first. I'm just gonna screw one of these snaps into the 4 little corners that I marked. So they just screw, like, it's got a little head and you can just like literally screw it in. Okay, so now I have my frame with 4 snaps that are all evenly spaced, and I'm gonna cut a piece of this canvas. I'm gonna cut the canvas so that it fully covers all the snaps, but there's like a little bit of a border, so like that. And then so I have my canvas cut, laid out, and ironed, and now I'm just gonna use a pen and mark where those snaps are. So the snaps that I screwed on earlier, I'll just feel around and mark the middle. You see where this is going? I love swapping decor. I hate rearranging gallery walls. So we're making interchangeable art that snaps on and off the frames, so you don't have to move the frames. You just have to snap on new art. I'm a genius. Okay, let me teach you how to do snaps if you've never done it before. It's so easy. Get the set that I'm linking because they're gold and they come with tools. So you take the place where you've marked and you put this little thing under it. First you grab this one, which is the punch tool, and I'm gonna line up right on my dot, and I'm just gonna tap it. So that punched a hole in the fabric. I'm taking this little flat one and I'm putting it through the hole. Then I'm gonna lay it flat right on here. And then I'm sticking this one right on top. I'm gonna get this little tool . Snap is on and attached. Okay, you're probably wondering, how do we get art on these canvases? So you can paint it, you can draw it, or you can use some printable transfer sheets. You can print out the art you want and then iron it on.
you want to stay connected, you should follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And now, what do you want to watch next? Here's one that's really popular and one that I picked just for you. I'll see you in the next video. Since you're still here, you must really like listening to me talk, but the good news is I actually have a podcast. So you can tune in every week as I teach you to become your own designer and DIY your dream home. But seriously, pick a video.